Why don't they leave? This is the question many people ask when they learn someone is suffering battery and abuse. Why don't they leave? If you have been in an abusive relationship or you are in an abusive relationship, you know that it is not that simple. Ending a toxic relationship is never easy. And it is even harder when you have been isolated from your family and friends. When you have been psychologically beaten down, financially controlled, and physically threatened. Nevertheless, leaving that toxic relationship is the most important thing and the most important step you can take for your happiness, for your safety, and for your mental well-being. If you're struggling to leave an abusive relationship, or you don't even know where to start, then this video is for you. This video will give you the tools and insights to walk away before it is too late. Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. I am Madge Williams. This is my space where I discuss relationships, past traumas, and the journey to healing and personal development. So if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join this community of empowerment and growth. So let's dive into today's topic. The first step to take in leaving a toxic relationship is recognizing when it's truly time to go. When you consistently feel unsafe, when you feel very unhappy, dejected, and unworthy, then that is a clear sign that that relationship is no longer serving you. It is time to move on. You have to create an exit plan and plan it strategically. Do not confront your abuser or even threaten that you're about to leave. When you do this, it will cause more problems. Have a safe place to go. Do you have a safe place to go? This safe place could be a trusted friend's house, it could be a shelter, or an undisclosed location. So only you and the very few people that you trust will know this undisclosed location. Pack essential documents and belongings discreetly. Don't make your abuser realize that you're packing to leave. So things to pack: ID, your passport, any birth certificate, any bank details, any bank card, things that you know you will need. Essential items to pack are clothes, medications, any spare keys, and whatever you think of that you may need. If you have any spare cash, if there's any, then pack those as well. The third thing to have is an emergency contact. Have an emergency contact to hand, and more especially a code word. A code word for you and your family, those that you trust will only know. And this code word signals danger. So that whenever you use this code word, it will signal danger. Examples of some code name or even code word to use. Did you see my red scarf? So the other person at that end understand that that red scarf is danger. Or it could be a code name. For example, you could say, is Charlie working today? Charlie is the code name. Or you could even use an emoji when you text somebody something like a clock or a palm tree. It could be whatever that is as simple as I'm hungry could be your code word. So it depends on what you've agreed with this person, with this family member, with this trusted friend, so that whenever you use that code word, then the person who you send this message, this code message, will understand that there is problem, there is danger. Part of the things to plan and prepare as well is your finances. So you have to secure your finances. Oftentimes, people that are in abusive relationship don't have access to finance. You have to start thinking of how to save money. You can open a separate bank account in your name if you have joint bank account. If possible, when you open this account, speak to family and friends and see if they will support you by giving you a little money so you can put that money away, save that money just for when you are ready to walk away from this abusive relationship. Choose a safe time and a safe method to leave. You can decide to go when the abuser is at work to stop confrontation. You can even decide to do it when he's asleep. So you monitor, take cognizance of your environment. If you have children, prepare the best way to take them safely to avoid confrontation. If possible, you can arrange transportation with a friend that you trust or a taxi driver that you know you can trust, or an emergency shelter services. And more importantly, make sure you turn off tracking on your phone. Most devices now will always say where your location is. So ensure to turn that off. Cut off all contact, because you might call someone who may not know what is happening, and the person might give away your location or your contact. So cut off contact as much as possible and make sure that you are only contacting on those very few trusted people. If you suspect that you could be in danger, please contact emergency services of where you are. Let them know. Contact the local authorities or organizations that specialize in helping abuse victims. Now, when you're in a safe place, you can start healing. You can seek professional help. Therapy or counseling can help you rebuild your self-esteem and navigate the emotional challenges of leaving your relationship. A therapist can help you unpack the emotions tied to the relationship and support your journey to healing. Reading personal development books can challenge your mindset into deeper understanding of who you are and how best to use your God-given skills to improve yourself. If you're a believer like myself, you should also pray. Do not take for granted the place of prayer in your life. Prayer can heal. Prayer can mend any situation. Through prayer, through meditation and worship, I get clarity. So as a believer, do not take for granted the place of prayer in your life. You should know that you are not alone. One woman I know shared with me how she left a controlling partner after 10 years of marriage. She has gone on to start her own business and she has found peace. Her courage is proof that it's never too late to reclaim your life. It's never too late to start again. If she can do it, you too can. There are other women like Jamie. You can read about Jamie's story in more details using the link on the description below. Jamie almost lost her life. She is a domestic abuse survivor. Her story will help you take a step in changing your own life, your own circumstances. The thing is, we can decide to turn a blind eye and ignore the abuse we're facing. We can decide that we want to stay due to fear of leaving, but there is a cost in ignoring abuse and its toxic pattern. Abuse and its toxicity does not just harm you, it affects every aspect of your life. It affects your mental health, career, friendship, and to your relationships. The longer you stay, the harder it becomes to untangle yourself from the situation, making it even more difficult and challenging to leave that relationship. Walking away gives you the power to make an informed decisions and for you to take control of your life. It's about choosing your happiness. It's about choosing your peace of mind, and it's about choosing your safety over fear of change or the uncertainty of being alone. Walking away from toxic relationship or abusive relationship doesn't mean that you have failed. It means you have chosen yourself. It means you've recognized that you deserve better and you are willing to do the hard but necessary work required to protect your mental health and emotional well-being. The strength you need to walk away has always been inside of you. So take the first step today. Start by rebuilding a future where you feel valued, a future where you feel respected, a future where you feel free. You deserve to be valued. You deserve to be loved. You deserve to be respected. And above all, you deserve to be safe. You deserve the best that life has to offer. Do not shortchange yourself. Thank you for watching today. If this video resonated with you, share it with someone who might need this message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, God's blessings.